Ciao a tutti. Hello everyone. In this short grammar video, I will be talking about the present tense of the Italian verbs. Let's start by saying that Italian verbs are divided into three groups or conjugations according to the ending of the infinitive form. And so we've got the first conjugation ending with are and include verbs such as parlare, to speak. The second conjugation refers to the verbs ending with ere, such as leggere. And the third one refers to the verbs ending with ire, such as dormire, to sleep. So how do we form the present tense? That's easy. By removing the ending are, ere, ire from the infinitive form and adding the endings of the present tense. However, please bear in mind that this applies to the regular forms only, and this will be discussed in this presentation. Let's have a look at the regular forms then. In this slide, you can see that the ending of the verbs change according to the personal pronoun. And so, for example, we would use the ending O at the end of these verbs to express the first singular person, io. Therefore, if I want to say I speak, I would say in Italian parlo. Same goes for the rest of these verbs. For example, I would use the ending I to express the second singular person tu, such as parli, you speak. As you can see, some endings are similar for all the three conjugations. However, be careful because there are also differences, as you can see. And whereas some similarities are for the first and second singular person, such as parlo, leggo, dormo, and parli, leggi, dormi. And we also have the first plural person, which has the same ending, iamo. So we've got parliamo, leggiamo, dormiamo. However, as you can see, we also have some differences. And for the third singular person, lui, lei, we've got parla, legge, dorme. And same goes for voi and loro. There is another aspect that I would like to mention in this presentation, and this is about the conjugation ending in ire. In fact, some regular verbs ending with ire, such as capire, to understand, take the isc form between the root of the verb and the ending. This applies only to the personal pronouns io, tu, lui, lei, loro. So if I want to say I understand, because capire takes the isc form, I would say capisco. Same goes for the rest of the verbs. There are a few verbs that take this isc form, and these are listed. Some of them have been listed in this slide. Here's the complete conjugation of the verb capire. Capisco, capisci, capisce, capiamo, capite, capiscono. So again, as you can see, the isc form applies only to io, tu, lui, lei, and loro. To make sure you know how to conjugate the present tense of these verbs, please take the quizzes available in the slides. And here we are at the end of this presentation. I will see you at the next grammar video.